Hello friends, today we are going to learn about past perfect tense. Look, first of all we will see the sentence pattern. Subject yes plus had V3 plus O, that is yes stands for subject, had it is auxiliary verb in past tense, we all know. In perfect past tense we have to use had. First of all subject plus had plus V3 is nothing but past participle of the verb. V3, look here, V1, V2, V3. For example, eat V1, ate V2, that is the past tense of eat, ate, and past participle of eat is eaten, eat, ate, eaten. Second example, begin, began, begun, like that. So, subject plus had V3, that is the past participle of the main verb, plus object, O for object. Now we will see some sentences using this sentence pattern of present past perfect tense. Look here, I had eaten a mango, we had eaten a mango, you had eaten a mango, you had eaten a mango, he had eaten a mango, she had eaten a mango, it had eaten a mango, they had eaten a mango, Ram had eaten a mango. It means that very simple structure of this tense, past perfect tense, subject plus had plus V3 we have to use, and then object. In front of each and every pronoun we have to use just had and V3. Had and V3. Now we will see the uses of this particular tense. Look here. What are the uses of past perfect tense? Look, first, this tense describes an action completed before a certain moment in the past. This tense describes an action which is completed before a certain moment in the past. For example, they had visited Raigad before 7 years. It means this sentence is regarding which tells us the information which is happened before 7 years. It means this tense describes an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Second example, Bhopal gas leakage tragedy had happened in 1984. We all know that a very dangerous gas leakage tragedy which was happened in 1984 at Bhopal. Bhopal gas leakage tragedy had happened in 1984. This sentence also, this action also completed before a lot of years in the past. Now secondly, if two actions happen in the past, at that time the simple past tense is used in one clause and the past perfect tense is used in the other clause. For example, two actions happened in the past. At that time we have to use this tense, such as he had stopped his car before the police whistled. He had stopped his car before the police whistled. It means here are two actions, whistling and stopping, but he had stopped his car before the police whistled. Had stopped. Second sentence, when I reached the school, the parade had started. When I reached the school, this is past tense. This is simple past tense, but the parade has started, this is past perfect tense. In such situation also we are going to use this tense. Thirdly, in a direct and indirect speech, when a sentence of direct speech is given in simple past tense or in a present perfect tense, at that time we have to convert both these tenses into past perfect tense. For example, Gopal said, I bought a new car. This is a sentence of direct speech. I bought a new car. Bought, it is simple past tense, but now we have to convert it into past perfect tense. Gopal said that he had bought a new car. It means in indirect tense, in indirect speech, we have to use past perfect tense if there is a simple past or present perfect tense in direct speech. These are the uses of this past perfect tense. Just take a quick recap. We had seen the sentence pattern S plus had V3 plus O. After that we had seen some sentences, very simple sentence pattern, had and V3 plus object. And lastly we had seen the uses. Action completed before a certain moment in the past. Second use, if there are two actions happened in the past, at that time the simple past tense and past perfect tense are used in different clauses. And thirdly, when we are going to convert a sentence given in direct speech into indirect, and if there is a tense, simple past tense or present perfect tense in direct tense, in direct speech, at that time we have to change it into past perfect tense. I hope you would like this video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. You watch this video again and again, do the practice. We will meet in the next video. That's all. Thank you.